How to use IMG Travel Insurance Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. IMG Travel Insurance is trusted worldwide, but beginners often misread reviews and risk gaps in coverage or unexpected costs. Here's how to use reviews properly. The first mistake is focusing only on cost. Most people get this wrong by chasing cheap policies without comparing benefits, medical coverage, or trip cancellation options. Reviews often highlight whether claims were paid promptly and completely. Second mistake, ignoring policy exclusions. You won't believe how often travelers assume all medical emergencies are covered, only to find exclusions for pre-existing conditions or adventure sports. Reviews frequently mention common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Third mistake, overlooking customer support experiences. The surprising truth is that response time and claim handling quality vary by region. Reviews provide insights into which offices or channels are most reliable. Fourth mistake, assuming single plans fit all trips. Many people underestimate covered limits for long-term travel, multiple destinations, or high-risk activities. Reviews often include real-life examples of how policies performed in different scenarios. Finally, failing to confirm policy updates is common. Always verify official documents on IMG's website to ensure benefits, premiums, and coverage match your travel needs. Using IMG Travel Insurance reviews properly means comparing more than price, understanding exclusions, checking support quality, evaluating plan suitability, and verifying official terms. Avoid these beginner mistakes to travel with confidence and full protection.